Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a landing page. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Mailerlite, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a landing page on Mailerlite is a straightforward process. But let me tell you, if you're wondering, the purpose of creating a landing page is to basically drive a specific action or achieve a targeted goal by offering a focused, distraction-free experience for your audience. Unlike a full website, which often serves multiple purposes, a landing page is designed for one primary object. So once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, and you would notice that there isn't like landing page option, right? Just go to the sites section. What will happen is you would be forwarded here. It's kind of easy. Now, you have the landing pages and the websites. Both we're gonna discuss in the separate video here in our Deep Labs YouTube channel. But for the landing pages, all you have to do is to create your first landing page wherein you can engage new people and collect more signups by using landing pages, features, and templates. All right, you have all of these things that could give you and your audience the sign up forms to gather email addresses, content blocks to build interest, newsletter, and a lot more. All right, I want you to click the create option. I will happen to see would be forwarded to this one. Now, you can put your site name if you want. For example, I'm going to be using our channel, obviously, and click on the save and continue. Now, you need to select the subscribers group, click the continue button. From here, you can choose your template to build your landing page with AI. You can start from scratch, or you might want to hover to the templates down below. You just have to choose what's the best template that represents your brand and identity. All right, so it's kind of limited. If you click the next button, if you're undecided, maybe how about this one? All right, experience world class swimming. How about this one? Let's check the preview button. It's kind of our best resembles our niche because we are in the content creation, and that represents a digital product. All right, if you're happy with it, might want to click the select template. You will be forwarded to the editor. All right, you can watch the video, but do not do that. All right, continue to the builder. From here, it's kind of easy. All you have to do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the elements. In this section, you have an option to select an image. Obviously, I am going to use our own image that I have created. You see that? So that's one. And I'm going to change this, obviously, to our logo. All right. Good, good. Now here, maybe we're going to put something like this. All right. And this one best represents here. In this case, you can also customize this to create a different color. Maybe you choose a color that best represents your brand and identity. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this. You can choose from the following. You can add more section here. If you click that, you can go to the left side panel of your dashboard. You can put in favorite sections, a standard hero. For example, we're gonna click the standard hero here. It'll be forwarded to introduce your company. All right, so that's one way to add. And if you wanted to add more along the way, add a new section. If you want, go to the left side panel of your dashboard, put in a content, people right here, social proof, FAQ, features and events, interactive. So basically, there's a lot of elements that you can do. It's up to you how to experiment with all of these elements to make your landing page a little bit kind of creative and engaging. All right. Now, on the left side is the site style, wherein you can choose from the base style. For example, you see, the more you hover, the color schemes are changing, right? Earthy, dusk charm. Now, I kind of like feel the hive. It's a vibrant, and I like it. All right. And then from here, you can put in input and labels if you wanted. Now, you have the preview button. You might want to check this to just see how it would look like in real time. All right. You have two views from here. You can use the desktop view right here. Hover down below to check its responsiveness. If it's kind of like it's not laggy, it has an intuitive interface, as well as the mobile view. Because normally people are always on the go and they use mobile 90% of the time. So you might want to check that your landing page is 100% mobile responsive. Once you are happy with how you created your landing page, you see this copy URL button. If you do that, you can send this URL if you're planning to get your feedback or comment from your client. If you're working for a client and you are creating a landing page for their client, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, you are in a collaborative environment, just copy that URL, send it to social media channels such as, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, or even send it to your email. I'm gonna click this X right now. All right. So if you're happy with this, just skim around. You can also use the dark mode here if you wanted to check both representations for light and dark monitors or screens or display. Now, if you're happy with this, click the done editing. But you see, there is a drop-down menu here if you want to create a landing page or success page. But for now, let's click the landing page and click the done editing. Takes a little while, depending on the complexity of your data. It takes a little while, really. You want to make sure that all are set. Now, on the landing page URL, you can change your landing page URL or add your domain here. All right. For example, let's just use some of. You see, custom domain is not available in free plan, so you have to upgrade your plan. So what will happen is the given default domain is from the Mailerlite. And from here, you can choose the favicon if you want to choose an image. Obviously, I'm going to use our logo. Click that. That is going to be a the favicon. All right. Settings, if you want to add the SEO settings, page title right here, I'm going to put in page descriptions and allow, if you want to allow search engines to index this landing page, you can do that here as well. On the social share, if you wanted, you can put in social share title, select your social share image. I'm gonna choose this one instead. Select this, save and continue. Analytics and custom code. If you have like a background for web development, might wanna click that. Go to the landing page. And then there you go. You have created your first landing page here in Mailerlite with no problem. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.